Hello everyone! In this video, we will walk you through how technicians can effortlessly generate a smart, AI-powered work order completion summary using the mobile application. Whether you type it out or speak it using voice input, our AI will automatically generate a clean, structured summary along with key points of action. This allows you to focus more on the job and less on the paperwork. So, let's get started. I will now demonstrate this using the mobile application. I am already logged into the app as a technician, and here you can see the list of jobs or work orders assigned to the technician. I'll select the job titled Fix Broken Pipe. Before showing you the completion process, I first need to start the job. At this stage, I can provide notes if needed, then click on Save and Close. Once the technician completes the assigned task, they need to proceed with job completion. To do this, the technician simply clicks on Complete Work. Here they have the option to collect a signature, enter a status note, and most importantly, provide a completion note. In the completion note section, the technician can either type their input or record audio. Our AI will then generate a smart summary based on that input. For this demonstration, instead of using voice, I will type the completion note. I've entered, located the broken pipe, and shut off the water supply. Once the note is entered, I simply click on Get AI Summary from Completion Note. In the background, our AI engine processes the note and automatically generates a well-structured summary along with clear action items. Once all the information is reviewed, the technician just needs to click on Save and Close. This is how a technician can provide a completion note, and from that, an AI-generated summary is created. This summary will now appear in the work order details screen. Now let me navigate back to the work order list. Here, you will see the job just completed with the AI-generated summary reflected in the details. That's how easily technicians can generate smart, structured completion summaries using AI, making every job wrap up faster and more accurate with DreamzCMMS. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for watching the video.